Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe. My main business is auto restoration and I contract metal fabrication and welding. But at heart, I'm a craftsman, so I cross the line over into a lot of different fields. Blacksmithing is one of them. And this video is about me buying my first anvil. Really excited. And here it is. And we'll give you a 360 on that. It's beautiful. Now let me tell you where I got this. Okay, there's a place called Texas Farrier Supply, and that's in Kennedale, Texas, and they also have another location in Weatherford. They have the largest selection of farrier, forging, and knife-making supplies I've ever seen. If you're in Texas, go there. Talk to Evan. Super knowledgeable staff, very friendly. Check them out online. And that's what the TFS stands for. Texas Farrier Supply 100. Now this is a 100-pound anvil, and these guys make the anvils on site. Really, really nice quality. I am super happy that I found these guys and went with their anvil. And I was close enough, maybe about an hour away. So I went there, met them, and like I said, very knowledgeable staff, very helpful. Very happy with my purchase. So we're going to do some dimensions. And that's the face and the width. And horn length. And it's around 9 inches height total. So we're going to check out the quality of this anvil. And I was really, when I first got into looking for anvils, of course, you know, you go to Craigslist, Facebook, all of those places. And honestly, some of the older anvils, they're just not worth the price that people are asking. And then I started looking at newer anvils. And yeah, definitely for my situation, a new anvil was the way to go. So let's check out the flatness of the face. Now I realized there was a clear coat over this. So what we're going to do is take some 320 and knock that off. And let's see what's really going on. Yeah, if I can keep this straight. Very flat with a straight edge. Because I look for quality tools. And that's really important for me. If I'm going to make an investment, I want it to be something that I'm going to have and pass down to my son. I'm sure a lot of you feel the same way. And now this one has the Hardy hole and the Pritchett hole. And we are going to mount this to a stand. And I've seen it done a lot of different ways, but this is the way that I want to do it. I don't want to drill into those legs. I don't want to try to bend over a nails or spikes or anything like that. And I've heard wrapping a chain around it can be beneficial. So we're cutting the chain to length. And now my neighbor next door, they had cut up some trees. It's a landscaping company. And I saw this out by the dumpster, so man, I snagged that. And we're going to true that up. And that's going to be our base for our anvil. I wanted to say kind of traditional. I've seen a lot of anvil stands, and I'm sure they're fine, but it just seems like a wood base would be a better idea. Maybe I'm wrong. Glad I didn't get the 250-pound anvil. And nice and true, both directions. All right, let's get this thing secured. And that's what I've got for the mount. And you can see I've wrapped the chain inside. And we're going to try to angle the bolt hole so we're not going in a straight down direction. Otherwise, when we use a socket on this bolt, we're going to get hung up. So that's going to allow us to get that thing in there nicely. Hey, and there it is. Man, I couldn't be happier with this thing. Now, while I was there, they had 3 different types of anvils. This particular anvil is actually a Farrier anvil. And you'll notice the turning cams on the back. And it's shaped slightly different than a traditional blacksmith anvil. And they also have what they call a future anvil. You got to go on their website and check that out. Hey, I'm going to be building a cart for this thing that'll roll around and level. Stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching.